Hello guys, back with another Lost Light video. Today I'm going to be covering the Season 3 update, specifically the update right after they uh, wiped all of our data again. So main thing is that they started the monetizing the game, which is really great, which means the game has passed some initial stages where the game is no longer just in test, that they finally see that there is potential in the game. That means a lot of people are looking at the game and it seems like a feasible game where it's popular enough to make some money out of, so it's good for everybody. They are beta testing the um, cash shop stuff. So if you buy something, you'll get a rebate for it. Here you can see if you spend only on just 2,000 light points, you'll get 150% rebate. Um, I'm not sure if the rebate is like your full cashback. I assume that's what a rebate is. And 120% rebate for if you buy between 2,000, less than 2,000, not inclusive, or equal, greater than or equal to sorry, if you buy greater than 2,000 light points or less than or equal to 5,000, you get 120% rebate, and if you buy more than 5,000 LP, you'll get 100% rebate. Um, your first top up will get you 1 million Luna. That's quite a bit of Luna. And you also get some orange stone clothing, which I'll show you guys that later in the game. It's just some cosmetic stuff. It doesn't really do anything in terms of like armor or anything, so don't worry about that. This game won't be really like super pay to win. Um, Shop and fitting rooms. Players can buy clothes in the shop and try them in the fitting room. So they, of course, added cosmetics and you can access them in the fitting room. They added a battle pass, so you can buy a premium battle pass to get more clothes and stuff like that. And there's also a premium special gaming experience you can lock through premium alpha and premium beta, and that'll give you more perks. And I'll go through those perks later once we get in the game. New event, we got a beginner's trial. So for the first week, in 14 days, you can get some new clothing set. If you complete them, uh, some players will only have 7 days left to attempt reaching the highest reward, but don't worry, the pre-completed missions conditions will count. So if you've already been playing the game for a while, you'll get some of them. Personalized backgrounds are now available. Owners of premium access and upgrades companions now can get unique personalized backgrounds. They added some new languages for the Thai language. So hopefully they're going to go global soon. I can't wait for that. Fix errors when upgrading character's level and completing some daily tasks. Options of crafting a flashlight, which is a new weapon mod, has been added to the workbench. It's worse than the other tactical flashlight they had before, so I'm not. I'm probably not going to craft it unless it's for like lower end mods. But assuming the made it still make it so you can't put anything on your foregrip like flashlights or foregrips until you're like workbench level 4, your gun bench, then you're probably gonna not craft the smaller ones. Fix errors with the display of the characters close of the rating list in Europe. Adjusted the first level equipment strength for the return and adjustment aim assist function. I think they actually enhanced the aim assist function to kind of auto fire when you're aiming for a while, which is I tried it for a little bit on the North American server. It's actually pretty decent. I'm gonna switch servers. Uh, well, all of them are really bad except for the American one for me. But I want to show you guys uh, another server just so I can show you guys the tutorial after the day wipe, because they did change the tutorial quite a bit. I kind of wish I recorded on the American server. But you get your customer characterization just like normal. so the introduction cutscene's still pretty much the same. They haven't done anything to that. I'm gonna have really bad lag because I'm choosing a different country server than my own. So bear with it. Alright, so Heidi's the first person that's gonna be making contact with us. Hopefully it'll load quicker. There we go. So we're injured and we need to find some medicine. They made the... Doesn't seem like the latency is that bad. Like the loading is bad, but like actual gameplay seems okay if you're playing in a different server, which is good. I'd rather have it this way than the other way around, where like loading is fast, but when you're in the gameplay it's laggy. Right. Backpack. Trying to find all the materials that are around here. Try to get as much as you can in the tutorial area. There's actually quite a bit. You can see there's some scrap, some money notes. There's actually a lot more hidden like everywhere up and above. Make sure you explore everywhere, because look, there's... You can get a lot just from the tutorial alone if you make sure you explore everywhere. You won't really be able to pick up everything though, if I remember that this is the same as the, if this is exactly the same as the other tutorial. There's a locked room. I don't remember if anything was on top of these shelves. I don't think there is. It's not. Okay. There are some special stuff in here. There's a bigger backpack somewhere else, so let's... Yeah, right here. There's a bigger backpack right here. So let's swap out our backpacks.
Enemy contact! Enemy contact!
Alright, there we get our first primary gun. One of the nice things that they did when they changed in the data wipe is that they changed some of the smaller, submachine guns, including the starting assault rifle submachine gun, so that they reduced their size to 2x3s instead of 2x4s. So it's actually a bit better for beginners, or for... Let's move all this stuff. Let's grab this second toolbox. Grab this commemorative coin, because that's worth a whopping 66,000. There's still quite a lot to grab still. I'm not sure how to get that one over there. Middle. Jump right here and grab it. Here is a second commemorative coin. I would just drop the bandage. Those are worse than other thing. Alright, here's how you get these scraps. This last one's pretty hard to grab. Yeah, you can't go through the back over there. You don't want to stay in here too long, because the time does expire. There you go. Alright, so I got the 2. Go ahead and use up the rest of this med kit since I keep hurting myself. Alright, and let's just grab this one extra thing. Alright, it's pretty much all we can grab. We could grab this backpack and then fill it up with other stuff, but then I wouldn't be able to grab both toolboxes, so I'd rather keep the toolboxes than grab the other backpack. So that's pretty much all there is in the tutorial. You want to carry one of the toolboxes and some scraps so you can open the door. It won't consume them, so you get to keep them, so make sure you find both of them and keep both of them. Alright, so that's pretty much the max you can grab out of the tutorial, so make sure you try to get as much as possible. Alright, the tutorial is pretty in your face, it just tells you to move everything in there, and then you'll get a chance to go and expand it in the next quest. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for the algorithm. And if you guys want to see more videos like this, let me know in the comment section down below. Remember, I'll always love you.